Okay, I also got these, I got these from Spin Master because, you know the overboard I unboxed? I didn't realize the axle was bent on both tires. So I called in, they sent me these as a replacement, the son-uva vs. Mohawk from last year. They have these at Target now. I've seen these at Target. It's the only case I've seen so far. Don't have any other ones, which is kind of weird. Must jam, son-uva Mohawk wear, guys. No. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Sorry, guys. Alright. Sorry, guys. I don't want to scrape the paint. So here they are, guys. I know we know what these ones are, but let's go to son-uva. Oh, here's son-uva with the, it has like, it doesn't have a clear coat on it, which is weird. But you can actually see the decal and feel it. It's not a clear coat. It doesn't look like it has one. Purple tires, guys. Blue rims and bead locks. Purple chassis. Blue roll cage. The grill printing, headlight printing, son-uva digger. Really cool. All the trucks on the side of the body. Mustang logo. The back of it. And Mohawk Warrior. It's a weird, bizarre color combination. The blue and purple. Well, it pops, but it's kind of weird. There's a Mohawk Warrior, guys. The retired truck already. Blue tires, purple rims and bead locks, purple roll cage, blue chassis. It's like a opposite color of this one. No clear coat on it. Great clips, guys. Mohawk Warrior. So this will be the last time we're ever going to see Mohawk Warrior, unless if they have the other releases. Great clips on the back. So I got 2 more trucks to go, guys. Peace out. Hope you enjoy.